I am 100% sure that our price is 300% lesser.
Wow.
Hi, my name is Marky Renton. I'm one of the owners of More Virtual Mall.
Hi, my name is Joan. I'm one of the owners of Core Virtual Mall.
It started with a problem talaga. Kasi when we built our clothing brand for women, ang dami namin naging problems. Like, ang dami reklamo ng customers. Yes, maganda nga yung design, pero after a few days, ilagay sa washing machine or labhan, masisira siya agad. Tapos, we also found it really difficult to find a trusted manufacturer because of the time, effort, everything, blood, sweat, tears na kailangan mong i-google or gawin just to find the perfect manufacturer or partner. Why don't we resolve it and build our own manufacturing business in order for us to address the problem, resolve the problem, and at the same time, control the kind of quality, the kind of designs na pwede nating i-offer sa customers for trendy.
This section is our cutting.
Cutting department.
Yeah. So they're preparing na the mga items no, na isasalang.
Yung mga cut items natin, piniprepare siya para naman dalhin sa production. For sewing naman na siya.
Mamaya suot ko na yan.
Ah.
Almost everything under the sun that a garment factory can make, actually. So we offer making of t-shirts, we offer dresses, because we specialize talaga. That's where we started women apparels. We also offer may mga nagpa-customize din mga hoodies, mga shorts, as in anything. And now, we started offering talaga, and a lot of customers are coming in na for bed sheets and linen curtains. We offer wholesale, one-stop shop. Punta ka lang dito, may mga on-hand tayo. If you want it to be readily available, i-sell mo for wholesale, we cater that. We also cater rebranding, like those mga on-hands, pero you wanna put your name on it, like own it na sarili mong brand, then we can put your labels, your tags on it, and it's free sa services na ino-offer namin. And lastly, yung customized nga. If you happen to have your own designer too, you happen to have your own line of work na gusto mong i-sell sa market, then we can create that for you. Visiting our showroom, they can see a lot of variations since makikita nyo, we have t-shirts, so we have sample t-shirts. We have dresses, we have sample dresses, and a lot more. So they don't have to really think or hire a designer because they can, utilize or maximize the ready items that we have here. Sir, our new collections.
New collection for our own in-house brand. Very specific even to the fabrics talaga. So some of the fabrics we import them, some we source talaga specifically, particular suppliers, so we can get the best. For the bed sheets and bed linens naman, same thought process. We prioritize the quality talaga, lalong-lalo na if I think I'm a bed linen kind of customer, I would really look for yung number of threads sa
yung soft talaga.
Yung soft. So,
Yun na yung talaga considerations mo, no?
Yeah.
Naman, definitely we offer yung mga standard designs. But I specifically ask for our production team to also produce yung mga blackout curtains. Yung blackout curtains natin, it doesn't just offer yung pagbablock sa sunlight, but it also blocks the temperature. So, yung fabric na ginagamit natin,
maintains the temperature.
yung room temperature
Inside, tsaka hindi niya pinapapasok yung...
Lalo na yung mga panggabi, yung mga naka-work from home. So, all of our designs, si Tita Hermie yung may gawa nun.
Tita Hermie, mag-hi ka! Yan.
So, from pattern to sampling, before natin i-mass produce. Just like what Joan mentioned kanina, kay Tita Hermie or sa pattern maker nang gagaling lahat ng designs for client approval. And then, pag na-approve na yon, that's when we decide to select the colors of the fabric. Tapos, yun, that's the start of the mass production.
Yeah, production.
Ano lang, very easy. Sisend mo yung design na gusto mo. Then, we will make the sample for you. We will provide you a quotation. Once napadala namin yung sample via picture, kasi meron din naman kaming marketing na magre-ready ng mga catalogs. Then, pag na-approve mo na, gagawin na namin, then ipapaship na namin sa'yo right at your doorstep. So, ganun siya kadali. We will be opening this showroom for walk-ins as well na gustong mag-shop.
The manufacturing warehouse is located here in Kutkut, Angeles City, along Friendship Highway.
Mga taga Pampanga dyan, taga nearby provinces like Tarlac,
Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Bataan.
Yeah. So you can just, send us a chat or a message on our page, Core Garments. Ipopost namin yung link dito. Sa mga malapit naman within Pampanga, you can definitely visit us. Sobrang lapit lang namin dun sa Friendship. So, see you here!